Hello, everyone. It's good to see you. I'm just trying something new here to add videos in my newsletters, and I hope you will like it. And I have two announcements in that newsletter. And the first one is I'm hosting another Family Constellation workshop, and it's gonna take place on Saturday, the 28th of September. We are going to start at 10 a.m. And in the Family Constellation workshop, what we can explore and look into really unconscious and hidden patterns in all sorts of relationships. So that could be in marriages, like in partnerships, relationship between you and your work colleagues or friends. And how it can help is sometimes we might just act out patterns from our childhood, patterns we took on from our parents, or even from earlier generations. So it's called transgenerational transference. So something perhaps our grandparents lived already in their relationships to their partners. So that's what we're going to find out. It's really good. I benefited myself tremendously from it. So please feel free to join and get in contact with me if you're interested in. And the second announcement is that I'm starting to do trainings in family constellations and also trauma constellations. So it's kind of the same method. So I'm trained in two different ways with different facilitators over the years. And I'm going to start training in family constellation next year in March. So in 2025, if you're interested, please feel free to get in contact. There's more information coming. There's just like an announcement right now. And thank you, and have a great day, and hopefully see you soon.